What's going on, guys? Welcome back on my channel. Elijah here on Elijah Slayer, back again to another video. For today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install the new tweak app that just came out, and Soundotech is actually the one who developed it. I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check him out. He's actually a good developer who's actually making this possible for us to keep on downloading third-party application. So I'm going to show you how to install the new tweak app that came out, and you are able to install your new tweak app game. You don't need a PC, you don't need a jailbroken device, and it's actually free. It's not, you won't need a revoke. So we'll be showing you guys how to install it and how you'll be able to download all the app in this video. So the first thing you guys will have to do is actually go to your settings. This is the first step. Go to your settings, you go to your Wi-Fi. After getting to your Wi-Fi, click on your Wi-Fi, scroll down till you see configure proxy, click on automatic and click on the URL, and after you paste the link that I'll leave the link in the description below. It's actually ffapple.com. You paste it, and after you click on save, you go back and you have to deactivate your Wi-Fi and reconnect it again, and after you'll be connected to your Wi-Fi again. Just give it a couple seconds. Okay, I'm already connected to my Wi-Fi, just like a bag on iOS 14. So yeah, there I'm connected. So the second thing you have to do is actually go to the website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Is actually go to the website tutubox.io. It's in the description below, and click on install now. If you don't have actually iOS 13 or iOS 14, Soundotech actually say that you'll be releasing a new jailbroken state, so that people actually still using iOS 12 can be able also to install third-party application on their iPhone. So for right now, I'm using iOS 14. I'm just going to click on install now, and let's go back again. There it is. So I'll click on one of the certificates here. You can click any of the certificates. If one of the certificate doesn't work out for you, you just have to try the other one, click on trying, and you'll be able to see which one is actually working best for you. So I'll just go ahead and click on Benji right here, and I'll click on install. Right now it's now installing on my iOS device, so I'll just go back. Let me just reduce the opacity right here. I'll go back and look for the certificate right here on my iPhone to see if I'm able to see one of the certificates on my iPhone. Okay, there's no certificate right here. I think it's still installing. And the other thing you guys will have to know that okay, let me just go ahead. It's still installing. Okay, it's now done installing. So yeah, there it is. So you just have to click on trust the certificate. Trust, as everyone who has downloaded the third-party application may have known, I've now trusted the certificate. So what I'll have to do right now is actually go back and open actually tutubox, and you guys can see right now that it's now working. I'm now able to open tutubox, and you'll be able to see it. And I'll show you also how to keep track of your application after you download it, because on iOS 14 all the application that you'll be downloading, they'll be in the library section. They won't be appearing again on your home section. Apart from the app that you download on App Store, the other one will actually be, the third-party application will be in the library section. So I'll show you guys also how to keep track of the app that you are actually currently downloading. So right now, let's create the app that I'm going to download. Brandon Plano. So app games, don't TikTok. Yeah, let me go with Instagram plus and click on get install. So let's see if Instagram plus is actually going to be able to install on my iPhone 7 device, and see how I'm going to keep track of it. So Instagram plus it's actually there. Instagram plus installing right now on my device. So I'm going to close iSpawner because I don't think that I'm going to download it. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm now able to download Instagram plus, and it's now installed on my iOS device, and all the app that you actually download if it on iOS 14 will actually come into the one certificate right here, depending on which characteristic of the app you are using, games or what. All of the app will be just in one of the certificate that you chose to download. So I downloaded and Canva. Right now, and Canva is not supported on iOS 14 and Instagram plus plus. So let me just go ahead and log in on my Instagram plus plus to show you guys that it's actually working. So I've just logged in, and this is internet Instagram plus plus, and it's currently working on my device. You can actually add everything right here, and it's working. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave the link to all the app in the description below so that you guys can be able to download it, and it's actually working. So go ahead and check out Sound Tech. It's actually a really good developer who actually added all this in place so that you can be able to download again and have a good experience with third-party application. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it. I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.